Hey guys, this is Lester here and welcome back to my channel again. And for today's video, we're not going to a reaction video. We're not going into a gaming video, but we will going to a step-by-step installations or tutorials on how to install this or how to flash this custom recovery in our Samsung G7 Prime device. So basically guys, this phone is a Samsung G7 Prime 2016 I think, or it's a 2017, but the variant of this phone is ITSM/G610Y. It's a Philippine version of G7 Prime. There are many versions of this phone I think. So before we go into the tutorials, there are two important files you must download. I'm gonna link that in the description box, so guys, you gotta download it. The first one is the Odin file. The second one is the TWRP version 3.2.1, which is our recovery, a custom recovery for our device. So let's get started. Here, assuming that you already downloaded the file, find the Odin file. You must find that. And then, here, Odin 3 version 3.13.1. You're gonna click OK. And then, as you can see, there are 4 BLAP, CP, and CSE and user data. Click the AP one, but before that, switch off your phone. Switch off your Galaxy G7 Prime here, and then press the power button, the volume down, and the home button of your phone at the same time. Here, this will display like this, a download, and then press volume up here to continue, and then it will display like this. After that, we will going to here, the Odin 3 UI. Okay, so please click the AP. No, before that, wait, please wait. Before we proceed, you should insert your USB cable into your phone for okay, so it's added, it's perfectly added here. Sorry for the advanced tutorial. Added, and after that, click the AP. Here is the AP. Click the AP and find the TWRP file here. This is the TWRP file. Click that. And it should be like this. And after that, click the start. Click the start, which is here. Click start. And it will be like this. So after clicking the start, it will be pass like this, and your phone should be rebooted. I'm gonna show you like that. The phone is perfectly rebooted. And to check if it is already installed, switch off your phone. But before you switching off your phone, unplug the charger or the cable, and then switch off your phone. Here. And to check if it is perfectly installed or if the TWRP custom recovery is perfectly installed on your device, just follow these simple steps. press the power button and the volume up and the home button at the same time. It should be like this. Perfect. So this is now the version TWRP version 2.1.0. So guys, if you find out this video is helpful, don't forget to thumbs up, share this into your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a good day. See you next video. Bye!